Right, hello everyone. Today we are going to do a screen replacement for an iPhone 6s White. Now, if you follow my channel, you'll know that I get all my products from eBay, and I will leave the link in the description on where you can purchase this item. It comes with, let's just open up this. Sometimes this can be quite finicky. Now, so in the unit itself, you will get a wipe, a keyring, a little sort of screwdrivers, your little tools here, I don't know what they are, and the unit itself. Now, what's most important here is, before you do anything, you've got to take off your trousers and make sure that you're completely naked from the waist down. Otherwise, this is not going to work. I shall put these instructions in the link. I'd like you to like and subscribe. Now, I will be back in a moment. I'm just going to take off my trousers.